Welcome to the FreightTracer SE and NextLoad educational series. Today's session number 3 focuses on driver engagement. Once a load is dispatched to a driver via FreightTracer SE, driver engagement is a very critical step. Ensuring that the driver understands how to get the mobile application set up and running is crucial to a properly tracked load. We provide you with valuable resources on our website at www.freighttracer.com/nextload. On the FreightTracer SE NextLoad page, you will find supporting documentation containing a FreightTracer SE FAQ, a FreightTracer driver onboarding script, and a FreightTracer driver mobile setup script. All three of these documents provide valuable information that will be critical in delivering the appropriate message to the driver while onboarding them. Please visit the website to view this documentation prior to dispatching any driver on the FreightTracer mobile application. Once the driver has been dispatched via FreightTracer SE, they will receive a text message from the FreightTracer SMS service. The message itself will contain information related to the shipment. You will see the shipment ID, shipment direction, as well as a link to the FreightTracer mobile application store. Clicking the link will take the driver to the appropriate application store based on their phone. At this time, the driver will be able to install the FreightTracer mobile application on their phone. Click Install and deploy the application to your phone. Upon opening the application for the first time, the driver will be asked to enter their mobile number. Please instruct the driver to omit a leading 1 in front of the number or the application will not function properly. Once the phone number is entered properly, a series of permission questions will be asked. FreightTracer requires access to the driver's camera so they can take pictures of proof of deliveries and other important documents related to the shipment. FreightTracer also requires access to the device's location so we can track the driver accordingly. FreightTracer will also ask for permission to the device's media in the event the driver has pictures of proof of deliveries they would like to upload. Once the application is configured properly, you will see all shipments assigned and dispatched to that driver. The driver will need to click on the appropriate shipment to initiate the tracking process. Upon clicking on the appropriate shipment, the driver will see our Terms and Conditions page. They will be asked to accept the terms and conditions of the shipment and click Yes. At this point, the driver will be delivered to the load management page, where they will see information related to pickup and delivery locations. The driver also has the ability to upload documents by clicking on the Upload Document button. If the driver is taking a break and wants to put tracking on hold, they can click Put Load on Break. When the driver is coming off break, they can click Take Load Off Break to continue tracking. This concludes our session on driver engagement and onboarding. Please make sure to visit our website for other valuable information related to driver onboarding. Thanks for your time and happy tracking.